Page 17, dance. 4/4 time, 1 flat in the key signature, we're in the key of F major. Make sure you can do the F major scale. Let's check our notes. The rhythm shouldn't be a problem. They're all quarter notes except for the end. So let's hear the right hand. 1, 2. Not so much for that. Let's go to measure 5. Measure 5, you have a rest at measure 4 to come up. Don't forget the B flat. Measure 7, it's a B natural. And they're both of those B's are natural. Remember that natural and accidental applies for the rest of the measure. So both of those are natural. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third finger they want, it could be fourth as far as I'm concerned. Rest. Rest. And I don't even like using the same finger. I might do a 3, 2, 1. Rest. Rest. On measure 11 on the 2 C's, I'd do a 5th finger on the second one. This way you're in position for the thumb. It's up to you on how you finger them, but I like 3, 2, 1. Left hand, well, we got that 1 quarter and F chord. And the quarter notes, and then when you get to measure 4, it's here. This is a 2/7 chord. So it's F chord to start with, and then we have the G7 chord is here. Just spell it out. This is measure 5. You have an F, a G, a B flat, because it's in the keys, and a D here. See, if I take the F and put it on top, I get this. It's a G minor 7 chord. Anyway, that's what it is. And then measure 7, it's the same chord except it's a B major, B natural. Now it's a G7 chord. Back to the F. Measure 10, come down. Thumb's where it is, come down. And then again, I do 5/4 on measure 11 here, and then a 5/3, and then a 4/2. So I'm basically staying in this position, sort of. You can use the fingering of the book if you want to. I prefer here to here to here. Put them together here. And I'm still connecting everything here. Okay, measure 5. You're up here. Be natural. Rest, rest, rest. Then we can add these staccatos. Wrist staccato here, short. And there's staccato throughout until the last measure. That is a tenuto and a half note. Hang on to it and linger on it. Everything else is staccato. Dynamic, loud in the right hand. Keep these chords in the background. Soft, loud, soft, so forth. At the end, it's very loud in the right hand. We want to hear the right hand. The left hand's got to stay in the background. Speed-wise, whatever you think fast is. It's a range. It's not super fast, it's just fast. I'd like to play it with you very slowly to double check everything, mainly the notes. You have to listen very carefully on these chords. Are you really playing the same chord? Or not? I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 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 rest, 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 rest. 1, 2, 3, 4.